Hi, everyone. Hope this finds you well. Michael Clark here with BAM Weather in the weather porthole. Just wanted to take a few minutes here to give you a refresher on some of the agronomic parameters and tools that the application has to offer as the planting and growing season is approaching. The first and foremost here that I want to point your attention to is just the past 24-hour rainfall tool. You see that right here. That updates every hour. It's just an idea how much rain has fallen here over the last 24 hours. Now, let's say you want to get a little bit more context and information to that. This interactive layer tool here on the radar has so many neat functions, but the 24-hour rainfall, 48-hour rainfall is one of my favorite. And a big tool for the planting and growing season. I can zoom down field level, and I can tap different locations, and I can get different rainfall outputs. This is a very popular tool for a lot of folks who use the application. Make sure you remember that's there come season, because that's going to be very, very beneficial. We'll also have GDU forecast and GDU departures from normal here on this layer as well, along with just current temperatures, current satellite, and the future layer, which will show you future radar and future wind. So a lot of neat tools there. Going back to the home screen, the 36-hour, hour-by-hour forecast, it'll update every hour. And the agronomic parameters here are some of the spray forecasts. We really enjoy these. We put a lot of time and effort into this and research into to display what we think should happen with the spray forecast logic. We have a red, yellow, and a green. The green means go, the yellow means caution, the red means we advise not doing it based on weather variables that have been forecasted. And you can see if you see an hour where you want more information, you just click on it. It takes you to this screen where you're going to have a forecast of cloud cover percentage, relative humidity, all right, temperature, dew point, feels like temperature, the wind speed, direction, and gust, and the visibility forecast as well. Where it says snow, you can tap that. It'll go to liquid. It'll go to ice. Hopefully snow and ice aren't going to be a concern come planting season. But you can see how this looks here going forward in the hour-by-hour forecast. The 10-day outlook offers several more agronomic parameters as well. The daily relative humidity forecast, the growing degree unit forecast for the 24-hour period, ET, which is the evaporative transpiration rate and how much moisture you would lose from the ground, and then the ST, which is the soil temperature forecast. That is the top 4 inch of soil temperature forecast going out to 10 days, All right, you can also see the liquid ice and snow there as well. The probabilities tab, this is going to give you an idea of what all the different computer models are saying. If you tap on it, it'll change. T-max, T-min, rain. That gives you an idea of what the weather models have for rainfall per se. If Tuesday we see 0.4 of an inch, but there's a 25% chance of 1.25 inches. That means some of the weather models that have a lower probability of occurring, but some more extreme suggestions of rainfall. This gives you an idea of kind of the risk aspect to your forecast. The long range tab, this is where the videos go. This is where the ag reports go. Week 1, week 2 temperatures. All right, you guys look at these PDFs. There's a lot of really good information in here, guys, that will give you information that the commodities may be looking at, and it may be important to marketing plans for long-term forecasts. All right, we load these with information, and we update them every single day. Something I highly suggest making part of your daily routine. And then our week 1, week 2, week 3, and 4 different outlooks as well. All right. Again, just a quick rundown and a refresher course. If you guys have any questions or need anything from us at any time, don't hesitate to hit that chat button or reach out, info@bamwx.com.